Evening. Familiar ko hindi.
Ha?
Familiar ako sa imo hindi.
Saan pa tayo nagkita, ma'am?
Pero familiar kayo.
Very familiar, oo. I forgot. When did we meet?
I don't know. Basta
But
daw.
you're very familiar.
And also you're familiar to me.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Sa alumni siguro.
Yes, base.
Yeah, alumni siguro. Yes.
Sa NO, HS?
NOSS.
Okay.
Oh, yes, that is.
What can you say? What can you say about the place? What can you say about the place, ma'am?
I really love the place and I really love myself too. Yeah, I'm always here. I love the ambience, the food,
Alright.
and it's cozy for Friday night.
And I like this place too.
Yeah,
And I think this is the nice place.
this is
where
the
we
place where you always hang out and you're always playing the piano.
Can, yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you. And
Ma'am, ikaw ka ba
about you, ma'am?
May cucumber juice.